timeless soul, modern heart. Step into the charm of 1955 with the confidence of a full modern renovation. Nestled on a spacious corner lot in the heart of Victoria, 1209 East Polk Avenue is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath mid-century gym that's been thoughtfully reimagined from top to bottom. Highlights include restored original hardwood floors, all-new electrical, air conditioner ducts, and tankless water heater, brand new windows and energy-efficient upgrades, sleek, fully updated bathrooms with designer finishes, open-concept kitchen perfect for entertaining, French doors leading to a private, fenced backyard oasis, cozy covered porch and lighted double carport. Whether you're sipping coffee on the porch or hosting friends in the open living space, this home blends vintage character with modern comfort. Located minutes from downtown and local schools, it's ideal for buyers seeking style.